Welcome, students and industry professionals. I am Professor Manish Narayan, founder of Innovative Institution, and I will help you transform Microsoft Excel into a spreadsheet engineering environment. Are you a student or professional in the field of engineering, finance, management, or science, and have not been able to utilize Excel to its fullest potential in order to set up, model, and solve real-world problems? Don't worry, as this is the course for you. Microsoft Excel is everywhere, at your home, university campus, or even at the workplace. But most users only utilize the basic functionality, rely on unstructured worksheets, and forget about the powerful tools that Excel is built upon. In my course, I will teach you how to transform Excel into a spreadsheet engineering environment, making use of structured worksheet designs, Visual Basic for Applications, or VBA, complex spreadsheet function combinations, and best practices that will not only make your life easier when dealing with information and data, but allow you to tackle those real-world problems, whether at home, school, or in the professional field. Take this course and show the world your transition from Excel user to Excel engineer. Thanks, and hope to share my knowledge with you.